So now kids, we know that what is rounding, and now we are ready to round to the nearest multiple of 10, 100 or thousands. Okay? So let us start with the exercise 1C. The very first question which says that we have to round to the nearest multiple of 10. Okay? I will pick the first question 46 here, and I will draw a number line here. Sorry for the line. I'll start with 10. Multiples of 10 I am writing first. 20, 30, 40, 50. And now I am writing the midpoints. Midpoint of 10 and 20 is 15, right? 20 and 30 is 25, 35 here, and midpoint of 40 and 50 is 45. Okay? Now, what is the number given to us? 46. So kids, where is 46 in this number line? It will be somewhere near to 45. इसके कहीं आसपास होगा. So let me put it in green. Let's say this is 46. Okay. ये जो green spot है ये 46 है. This number. Now we can see this 46 is near to 40 or 50. It is near to 50. Also, it is more than the half of of 40 and 50. Half of 40 and 50 was 45. ये 45 से ज़्यादा है. So anything which is more than the half will go to the highest multiple. ठीक है? 45 से अगर कम होता तो वो 40 में लाई करता. 45 होता या 45 से ज़्यादा है तो it will go to 50. In this case, we have 46, which is more than 45. It will go to 50. It is near to 50. So the nearest multiple of this one will be 50. 46 का nearest multiple होगा 50. Right? Next one is 388. Again, I'm going to draw a number line here. Okay. And 388 है. For the multiples of 10, I am starting from 350. Okay. So 350 multiple of 10 में 360 आएगा, 370, 380 and 390. ठीक है? 390 आएगा यहाँ पे. Now this will find the midpoints. 350 and 360 का midpoint क्या होगा? 355. इसका 365, 370 और 380 का मिड पॉइंट होगा 375, 380 और 390 का होगा 385. ठीक है? और हमें प्लॉट करना है 388 नंबर, जो कहाँ आएगा? इट इज मोर देन 385, सो इट विल बी समवेयर नियर दिस. कुछ ये यहाँ पे होगा, इधर. ऑल राइट. सो दिस इज 388, दिस ग्रीन वन. ये वाला नंबर जो है वो मैंने यहाँ प्लॉट किया है 388. एंड नाउ वी कैन सी अगेन दिस 388 इज ग्रेटर देन द हाफ एंड नियर टू 390. ये किसके पास में है? 380 की 390. इट इज मोर नियर टू 390. सो द मल्टीपल, जो इसका मल्टीपल आएगा, द नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 विल बी 390. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन is 1014. अब हम इसको प्लॉट करते हैं. So 10 and 14 is, अब हम इसको प्लॉट करने के लिए we will take the multiples of 10. So let me start with 1 0 1 0 1 0 20 1 0 30 1 0 40. ठीक है? एंड नाउ देयर मिड पॉइंट्स 1 0 10 10 एंड 10 20 का क्या होगा? 10 15. 10 20 एंड 10 30 का 1 0 2 5. एंड यहाँ पे 1 0 3 5. राइट? नाउ लेट अस प्लॉट द नंबर. अब हम नंबर प्लॉट करते हैं. 1014 कहाँ होगा? इट विल बी समवेयर हेयर, यहाँ पे. ठीक है? सो इट इज लेस देन द हाफ. हाफ, इन दोनों का हाफ था 1015, ये उससे छोटा है एंड इट इज मोर नियर टू 1010 देन 1020, तो हमारा नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 इसका होगा 1010. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग 1010 here. Next one. This I'm going to do directly because now we have idea how we are doing it. Or let me do it for you. Let me do this one also, so we will have more clarity. I am making a number line here. Okay, and this one again I am starting with 92400, 92410, 92420. हमने ये क्यों लिया? बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड द नियरेस्ट 10, तो हम सिर्फ 10 के डिफरेंसेस पे नंबर लेंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 9 to 400 because we have to consider the tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. So I am changing intervals only till the 10 place. Okay, so that's why I'm taking this one. Now I'm taking their midpoints also. So the midpoint of this will be 9 to 405 and iska 9 to 415. Again हमें यहाँ पे नंबर दिया है 92407 which will lie somewhere here 405 के बाद. So it is more than half, it is near to 92410, which is, so इसका जो nearest multiple 10 होगा वो होगा 92410 because it is more nearer to this than this and it is more than half also. So I'm writing the number here as 92410. All right, now in 11,000. So this, let us try to do this straight away. In this case, we have 11,003. Okay, so if I plot it on the number line, जो intervals होंगे, that will consider these two places. So it will be something like 11,000, 11,010, 11,020, 30 and so on. Okay, so let's do this also. I am making a number line here. It is 11,000, 11,010, 11,020, 11,030 and so on. Now let me mark the midpoints. So the midpoint will be 11,005, 11,015 and 11,025, right? Now we are provided with the number 11,003. So it will be somewhere here. Now this 11,003 is more nearer to 11,000 or 11,010. It is more near to 11,000 and also it is less than the half. So that means the nearest multiple will be 11,000 for this number. All right. Yeah, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so just try to do this with more examples, and in case you face any issues, any queries, you can ask me on email. Now same thing we can do for the nearest, to find the nearest multiple of hundreds and thousands. All right, but now let us start with the second question. Now in this case, in 649, we have to consider these three places. Okay, so if I draw a number line, it will be something like, with the intervals of 100, it is 600, then 700, 800, 900 and so on. All right, now I will mark their midpoints. 650 here, 750 here, 850 here. Okay. So this 649, it is near to which multiple? 649 will lie somewhere here. and it is more near to 600 or 700. So it is more near to 600. So the nearest multiple will be 600 for this one. Okay. Similarly, in the next question, we can start from here, 875. I am taking the same example. I am marking this with blue. Okay. So in the same number line, I can mark 875, which will be somewhere here. Now this 875, it is more nearer to 900 than 800. Also, it is more than half. 850 से जो कि इन दोनों का half था उससे ज़्यादा है. It is more clear to 900. That means the nearest multiple of 875 will be 900. Right? Yeah.